Hello and welcome to Doc Seas under Puget Sound. Today, sea cucumbers. They're delicious. Divers risk their lives many times trying to gather these guys up. And in Puget Sound, you'll find them in areas of heavy current, rocky bottom, and these are fairly large in size, and the bottom depth, well, we'll start out at 320, and we're going to continue our flight down into 380. And when we get into the 400-foot depth, it turns into sand, which is rather interesting. But this will give you a good idea of the seafloor in Clovos Passage. And we're flying towards the south. Look at, oh, there's a kind of a gold color one, white. Here's even another one a little bit. Let's slow it down, show it to you one more time. This is rather different looking. It's gold, not bright orange or red like the other ones. That's kind of neat. Hey, thanks for watching Doc Seas under Puget Sound. Bye-bye, everyone.